Hi guys, let's take a look at this particular problem here. I hope that by looking at this graph, you can recall that you can think of the function parabola, which is y equals x squared. So if you plot the y equals x squared, it looks like something like this, okay? So I'm gonna try my best to graph the y equals x squared. So like that, okay? Now, of course, when I compare the red one and the blue one, I actually know that there's no vertical stretch. The reason is this. Take a look at this particular portion. So from here to here, okay, it's 1 unit above the vertex. And take a look at the horizontal span. There are 2 units here, right? And take a look at here. So one above the vertex, and take a look at the span here. It's exactly 2 units. Therefore, I know there's no stretching or compressing at all. So with that, I know that I just need to do some shifting. First of all, it doesn't flip down. Therefore, I know so let's write this A times, uh, so I'm gonna write A times f of b times x minus h plus k. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is there's no vertical stretch or horizontal stretch. Therefore, I know these two values has to be 1. There should be no stretch. Um, and Also, now we just need to identify the horizontal shift and the vertical shift, right? So by looking at the vertex, I see that the vertex is shifting horizontally by 1 unit. Therefore, I know this guy should be 1. So f of x minus 1 in this case. And the vertex is shifting down 3 units. Therefore, I know this has to be minus 3. Okay, now, what is my f of x? F of x is actually x squared, right? F of x is x squared. Again, this goes back to how do we do substitution. So this time is f of x minus 1. So therefore, I would do so x minus 1 is inside the brackets. So you should plug in here. So it will be so my new function, the target function, the child function, will be x minus 1 now, and then square, that's the substitution, right? And then minus 3, that's where it comes from. So this is your child function. Okay, so after the substitution, this is what I get. Okay,